small little carabiners. This is a 6-pack that I got in, and this is from the company FLONSA. I think's how you would say that. These are high mechanical strength, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and flame retardant. FLONA's carrying capacity is 20 kg, which is what, about 44 pounds? Glow in the dark. How cool is that? These actually have a glow in the dark feature. I will test that. Evaluate your outdoor experience. If you're like me and you've got a wide variety of little small items, say like, have this little next tool right here that needs a little carabiner on it. And I always have carabiners on my keys. I have one right there that's just kind of like an old cheapie that I've had for a while. I'm going to replace it with one of these. It's going to be like super strong, but if you just want to like connect to little small items, whether it's a water bottle or like a set of keys or something like that, I highly recommend these things. Actually, let's just go ahead and take them out. It looks like just like a pill bottle. Look at that. Boop. You just pop them right out. Let's just pop one out. Actually, let's take them all out. So to do the glow in the dark function, step 1, hold carabiner close to light source and expose for 2 hours. Yeah, okay, 2 hours in a light source. Where I think these would be great, I think these would be great for camping if you're out in the sun and then you get a lot of exposure on the light. Say the sunlight gets to shine on these a lot. I'm going to let them, they've actually been out here for a couple hours, so I'll go ahead and test them now. I'll throw up on the screen what they look like. I'll put them like in a closet with them shining, and we'll see kind of how they look. But overall, the quality of these things look great. And here's what I'm going to use them for. So if I'm like I want to hook this little knife to something, look at that. Now I can hook it to a belt loop, a keychain or something like that. Very handy to do. And actually, speaking of keychains, let's just go ahead and get rid of our old one here. So they seem to have a little small hook and clip right there, so they won't come like that, won't accidentally open up. And then this one, what I didn't like about this one was how sharp that edge is. That thing has a very sharp edge on it. This is plastic, so the edge isn't as sharp, but it feels like pretty strong stuff. This is something I think I'm going to be using while I'm hiking, camping. I'm going to be able to hook this onto my backpack, and I should be good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the glow-in-the-dark FLONSA Carabiners. Check them out. See you all in the next video.